So I thought I would go on a bit of a rant. I was doing a little bit of LinkedIn surfing, shall we say. I repost my videos to LinkedIn, and I was on LinkedIn looking, and there was this one post, and it drove me nuts. It was an accounting firm, all these people sitting around, all excited about bringing in this new staff and saying, "Oh, we're getting all ramped up. We're so looking forward to busy season 2021." And I was thinking to myself, I can't leave this untouched. I have to say something, and I'm going to do my best not to swear, but chances are I probably will. Here's the problem. Accountants are so brainwashed. We're brainwashed into believing in a flawed business model. I was writing up a little bit of a little bit of copy because I'm going to be doing a webinar with a company called CPA Rainmaker Awards. And they want me to do an information session. So I'm writing all these things down, and I'm talking about the flawed business model and how accountants have been conditioned to believe in this flawed model. And this is an example, like right on the computer screen, there's accountants there going, "Oh, we're so looking forward to the busy season." What accountant in their right mind looks forward to working 14 hours a day, 15 hours a day, not seeing their family on the weekends, and being stressed out? The amount of stress it takes on the body going through a busy tax season is horrific. Now, with that said, I also used to fall under that same category. I mean, I used to feel that way, that thinking, like, when I first started in accounting practice, it was exhilarating, like doing the long, hard hours. I thought I was winning. And it's because I was being conditioned into the three lies that I talk about in the Accountant Success Formula. There's three lies that every accountant has been conditioned to believe. And the first one is that their worth is equal to how many hours they work. If It's all about the billable hour. The more you work, the more quality person you are, the more value you have. So therefore, you start getting brainwashed from the get-go. As soon as you walk into the first accounting practice, here's your timesheet. And so you crank that in. And then number two, you become to believe that your clients are naturally price sensitive to your services, because clients are always worried about keeping the cost down, and you're stressed out because you're the accountant, because you're supposed to save them money and keep the cost down. And that's a whole nother story. And then the third lie is that tax time just has to suck. And here they are on LinkedIn, like openly saying, "We're so looking forward to walking into hell. It's going to be so much fun. We're so much looking forward to it." And it's just, for me, it's painful, because I know that we don't have to work like that. Accounting firms, we don't make the profit. Most accounting firms don't make the profit they should. They work with they end up working with price sensitive clients. And three, they end up having no free time for themselves. When you shift your model, when you see that the business model is flawed, then you can fix it. And there's a way to do that. That's the Accountant Success Formula. I did it in my practice, and I've done it in every accounting firm that I've worked with. But it's that brainwashing. So if you're still in that rah-rah, you're like, "Oh, you're looking forward to tax season because you're looking forward to all those crazy working hours." You're not making the money you should. Number one, you think you're making money. No, you're doing incredible detriment to your body because of the mental stress. And number three, you're wasting the most precious asset you have in your life, which is your own time, which is time to spend with your family, time to spend on your weekends, time to think and be yourself. It's not all about the billable hour. So there you go. Had to vent about that. I was on my way to the gym. I had to vent about that. Take a quick video. And so there you go. I'm Eric Solbach, and wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave a comment for me, and stay tuned for more success tips to come.